REALME NARZO 20. REALME NARZO 20 smartphone runs on Android V10 Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core, 2 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz, hexa-core, Cortex-A55, processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. It has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. REALME NARZO 20 smartphone has IPS LCD display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and 396p pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 64MP primary camera, 8MP wide-angle, ultra-wide-angle camera, 2MP camera, 2MP depth camera, and on the rear, there's an 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 6000 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, and more. REALME NARZO 20 price. REALME NARZO 20 smartphone price is likely to be 13,999 rupees. REALME NARZO 20 is speculated to be launched in the country on September 18, 2020, unofficial. As for the color options, the REALME NARZO 20 smartphone may come in black colors. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.